If you are above 35 years, please try to watch this video. This video are going to help you in this life. There is some common spices we are always neglecting each time we across them. All those spices is what we are calling black pepper. What do you know about black pepper? And also Uziza seed. These two spices are look alike, but they are working common thing. So I want you to be or make use of these spices. I have to reach out to you here. Igbo mụrụ nze, Igbo mụrụ ọzọ, ekele m unu. Anyị abatago n'ihe gbasara mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa ife. Nwanne m gee ntị. Ajụjụ nchọ ka m jụọ gị, o nwere ndịiche dịnụ between black pepper and also Uziza seed? Do you know the benefits of these two spices? Achọrọ m ka ọ bụrụ na these spices na ọ na-adị na be gị. Kedu ọrụ ọ na-arụgasị? Although we are using it for all our dishes, it's very good and it will help you to extend the life of living. Let me show you the leaf of these spices. See the leaf. This is Uziza leaf. Do you know the medicinal value? Number one, these two spices also help anything related to brain, like stroke. If you don't want this kind of illness to come closer to you, please always make use of these spices. Second, it always lower cholesterol, sugar. It has ability to inflammatory and antioxidants, and also it helps to boost your immune system. As for the men, it helps for prostate. It cleans the heart, and also is good for stomach and many other health related issues. These two spices can take care of them. This spices is edible. At least once in a while or twice in a week, you can gather these spices and chew it. Although it's pepper, but it helps you to signal to your brain, and also it helps to flow oxygen in your vein, and many other things it can take care of. Remember that our people say a stitch in time saved 9. Amen. Please try to share this video so that others can come across it. Remember that the best is not yet to come. I am still remain Maazi-UC. Igbo be Igbo. The one.